Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe guys. Subscribe, it will help us a lot. Today I want to give you my top 5 female DJs in SA. Number 1 is Uncle Waffle. Uncle Waffle, the reason I'm putting it number 1, man, she came with these dance challenges. Like every time she's busy DJing, it's fire. It's fire. She's spitting fire, man. Yo, shout out to Uncle Waffle. And then her fashion, man. Her fashion, man, her clothing is fire. It's fire. Shout out to Uncle Waffle there. I think she signed a deal with Drake or something, or she signed under Drake or something. That's why now she's international. She's international. She's killing it. So shout out to Uncle Waffle, man. Then number 2 we have Miss Cosmo. Miss Cosmo, she have a lot of things, man. She's a podcaster, radio presenter. She's a musician. She's a producer. So shout out to Miss Cosmo. And then number 3 we have Devin Gogo. Devin Gogo, she doesn't only DJ. She's a producer as well. She's a musician. She does have music. She do guys have music, piano, especially piano. So shout out to Devin Gogo. Then we have Lamiez. Lamiez, she have a lot of things, guys. Lamiez, she has lots. Besides being a mom and a wife to, what was the name of this guy? Kulichan. Yeah, man, she does a lot. Television personality, radio presenter, producer. She hosted SABC One music shows, live amp. So shout out, guys. And then we have Dineo Ranaka as well. Dineo, she's a radio presenter, and then she's a podcaster. She's an actress as well. Remember Dineo's Diary? She killed her in Dineo Diary, coming with a drama left, right, center. So it was amazing. It was amazing. So yeah, man, that was my top 5 female DJs. But because it's Women's Month, let's give them some love. Shout out to Lerato Khanyago, she's a DJ as well. Lady Do, she kills it. She's a producer. She has music. She does a lot as well. Thando Tabete as well. She's a DJ. She's killing it as well. She's an actor, a radio presenter as well. Thuli Pongolo, she's there as well. Even though she's still new at the game, like Thando Tabete and whatnot, but they are killing it. So shout out. And then happy Women's Month, guys. It's Friday. It's Friday. As you can see at my corner there, it's a booze. So drink responsible, guys. Drink responsible. If you know you can't drive, Uber yourself home. Arrive alive. Shout out, guys. I've seen the Mozambique is showing me love as well. USA is showing me love. Shout out, guys. Please keep watching. Keep watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Let's keep this thing going, guys. Away. Stay tuned for more videos.